Okay, so in this question, we have a very simple question, and that's what we're going to be attempting in this video. So thirds of a number is 24. What is the number? So yeah, this is actually very easy to do. Okay, the first thing we want to do here, or the first thing I love encouraging kids to do when they have this question, is to try to see if they can write this as a math statement. Now, a math statement is just numbers and letters. Okay, you don't have words in them. It gives you the overview of what you want to solve in the math form. Okay, so let's go ahead to write our math statement. So I'm just going to come here, and I think I can read this as 2/3. So we're going to say 2/3 is a fraction. 2 over 3, that's 2/3. Now the next statement we have there is of a number is 24. Of is the same thing as times. Okay, so of a number should be x. I will say that is what? 24. So easier is the same thing as equal to. Mastering their keywords will help them transition from word problems to math statements. Okay, and if a child can get this part, I think they've moved a huge step towards the answer. Okay, so this is one of the most important things to do. Now, we're going to think of what to eliminate first. The first thing I encourage them to do is, if this x is not at the denominator and is hanging by the side, then it's definitely at the numerator. So just carry it to the numerator like this. So the x definitely belongs to the numerator. So we could go ahead and eliminate the 3, because that is what is standing in our way first. And how we do that is that since the 3 is divided here, the way to eliminate it is to multiply. So I'm just going to multiply both sides by 3. Yeah. So if I take this 3 to the front here, you're going to see it's, sorry, let me just go back a little bit. Yeah, so if I take this 3 here, you're going to see that this 3 also belongs to the numerator, just like we did to the x. What that means is that 3 can actually divide 3, and the both of them can leave. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to multiply this side. Yeah, we're going to multiply this side by 24. 3 times 24 should give us 72. And one more step. Okay, so this is basically a two-step equation. The last step is to try to divide by 2. Sorry, so I'm going to try to divide by 2, and that should happen on both sides because we are trying to eliminate 2. The consistency in math is that whatever you do to the left hand side, you must also do it to the right hand side. So if you're dividing by 2 on the left hand side, that should also happen on the right hand side. Okay, so yeah, so 2 divides 2 should give us 1, and 1 times x should give us x, right? 1 times anything is that thing. So that's how it eliminates itself. 72 divides 2 should give us 36. So here we can agree that x is 36. But let's do that on the sides. So we have 2/3 of a number is, yeah, 2/3 of a number is, 2/3 of a number is 24. So let's go ahead and check if that is correct. So we go ahead and say 2/3 of a number. We are writing that now, but this is our check statement. So we are creating a check statement to see if our answer is correct. Another thing I encourage kids to do, whenever you're done solving, do not be in a hurry to go to the next question. If you have a little bit of time, you can go ahead and check. Okay, so let's check if that is correct. And the left hand side must always be equal to the right hand side. We know that x is 36, so we're going to replace this x now with 36. I'm just dragging this over here, and x is equal to 36, right? That's what I just did to replace. Okay, like I said, if a number is hanging by the side and is not the denominator, then it's definitely the numerator, so we'll put it at the top there. Yeah, 36 can be divided by 3, and that should give us 12. And when we do 12 times 2, we should have 24. So you see that the left hand side and the right hand side matches. That's why the equal to sign is at the center. When they are equal, that's what it means. The left hand and the right hand side should be the same value. Okay, so this our solution is correct.